In this problem, it is given that the sum of reciprocals of integers a and b is equal to the sum of twice of the reciprocal of c and the reciprocal of 10a, which means 1 by a plus 1 by b is equal to 2 by c plus 1 by 10a. On simplifying this equation, we get 2bc minus c into a upon bc equals 9 by 10. It is also given that a, b and c are three distinct integers between 0 and 10. It means a, b and c can assume any value from 1 to 9. So from here it becomes obvious that value of bc has to be a multiple of 10, and it is also known that b and c are single digit natural number, so only those values can bc assume that can be expressed as a product of two natural numbers that are less than 10. So let's check what are the possible values of bc. When the bc is 10, it can be written as 2 into 5 or 5 into 2. It means bc can assume a value of 10 on checking for 20, which can be written as 5 into 4 or 4 into 5, which is also possible. Similarly 30, 5 into 6, 6 into 5, 40, 5 into 8, 8 into 5. But values of bc cannot be more than 40, as 50 cannot be written as the product of two natural numbers wherein both numbers are less both numbers are less than 10. Similar would be the case for 60 and number onwards. So the values that bc can assume are 10, 20, 30 and 40. Now we need to find value of a with the help of these possible values of bc. Let's check whether we get an integral value of a for bc being 10. There are two possible cases. In first one, b can be 5 and c 2. In second case, b 2 c 5, which is not possible because in that case 2bc minus c would be a negative quantity. So it is obvious b has to be 5 and c 2. So 10 minus 2 upon 10 into a, 9 by 10. From here it is obvious that value of a would not be an integer, so value of bc cannot be 10. Let's check for 20. In first case, assume b is 5 and c is 4, so 10 minus 4 is 6 upon 20 equals 9 by 10. From here we get a equals, similarly when b is 4 and c is 5, we would get 3a upon 20 equals 9 by 10. From here we get a equals 6. So In this case, there are two possible values for the ordered triplet A, B, C, and these are 3, 5, 4, and 6, 4, 5. On checking in the similar fashion for BC equals 30 and 40, we won't get an integral value of A. So these are not the possible values of BC. So BC can only be 30. In that case, we would get two ordered triplet of A, B, C. Now we have to find value of A plus B in term of C. So in first case, A plus B is 8, which is twice of 4. It means A plus B is equal to twice of C. In second case, it is again 10, which is equal to twice of 5. So from here we again get A plus B equals twice of C. Hence option B is the correct answer.